So I got a certain question from one of the platform asking how can I use my laptop to earn $2,000 on a monthly basis. Most people gave their ideas on how to earn this 2,000 on a monthly basis, and me, I have also mine. I gave it, but I said let me bring it also here on our channel for you to benefit from there. Now we are going to be looking at how to earn 2,000 US dollars monthly on a certain platform by answering queries, by answering questions, and even working online with your laptop. Which platform is this? The platform is called ChatDesk. ChatDesk website. ChatDesk website, we're going to look at it with it only requires your internet, your laptop, and your availability, your timing. Then we see how are we going to make this 2,000 US dollars. Yeah, most people, this is a disclaimer. There are some people who have tried and failed, and others have tried and they have done it. What you need is to know that what you focus on determines what you miss. So if you're focusing to get this $2,000, here you are, you're going to get it. But if you're focusing on try and error, babysitting, you might not get it. So let's go now. Do you know that customer care service jobs are among the top jobs that are online in 2025 right now? And what if I told you that you could easily earn up to 2,000 US dollars a month by just answering simple customer queries on behalf of the companies, by just being on your desk and you start answering the questions? You don't need to come in a video. No, what you need, I want you to head over to your browser, put there chatdesk.com. The moment you put chatdesk.com and start the game of remote work. The game of remote work, what do you expect on this one? You expect only to answer customer queries on behalf of the companies. So ChatDesk website is a customer service platform that helps business manage their line customer interaction efficiently. They partner they partner with global brands, connecting them with remote workers like you and answer queries. At the same time, they provide solutions and enhance customer satisfaction. You don't need prior experience, you guys. You just need excellent communication skills and willingness to help customers. Others, you'll get the training. What do you need to do? I want you to, like I said, head over to your browser and download or sign up for this platform. 1, go to chatdesk.com by going to your browser. 2, sign up for it to get an account. 3, get trained very well by the ChatDesk management. 3, start working. How do you start working? Once you're set up, you're going to start answering queries through email, chat, or through social media. It depends where you're going to be assigned. Now, how much do you expect to earn? I know some other people are like, Christine, how much can I earn? You can easily earn $10 to $20 per hour. Now, if you're earning $20 per hour, in a day you're going to earn, let's say you're working 5 hours in a day. If you're working 5 hours in a day, that means you are getting $100 per day. If you're getting $100 per day and you're saying, I'm going to work for 5 days. 5 days, that is $500. In a month, that is 2,000 US dollars. Am I right? Yes, I'm right. But are there some people who are going to get less than 200, even less than $50? Yes. It depends on what you're going to focus on. If you focus on getting even $5,000, you are going to put your storyline, you're going to put your strategy, and you're going to make it work. So why do you think I'm bringing ChatDesk for you after getting someone asking, what can I do with my laptop? I'm bringing it because ChatDesk is flexible. You can work at your own terms, at your own schedule. It's not like others, like they say you have to work from this time to this time or at this time. The second one, it's remote friendly, no commuting. You just work from where you are as long as you have internet connection. The third one is you don't invest anything. Most people think if you do such job you need to pay any money. No, the only thing you're going to invest is your laptop, is your time and connection, as far as internet connection is concerned. Then why am I bringing it here is reliable payments. These people, they pay on time. I worked with them once like 4 months back, and I even brought it here, but of course I have a lot of things to do, so I no longer do that. So you can get paid weekly or monthly depending on your contract. You're the one going to decide if you write a contract of weekly or monthly. It's up to you. So now, how do you get started after knowing the benefits of this ChatDesk? One, same thing, you're going to go to their website, you fill out the application form, you complete the training module. After completing the training module, start earning by answering customer queries. Do you think you can earn this money? Yes, you can earn this money. How do you exactly make sure that I'm earning $2,000? You need to make sure you answer, you be royal and say, no, I want to get this money. The moment you put it in you that you want to get money, you are going to get this damn $2,000, talk less of $5,000. This ChatDesk is one of the easiest way for you to be employed as a remote worker as far as customer service is concerned in 2025, especially if you enjoy helping people, if you enjoy answering questions, if you enjoy, you are there, you've been like me, you say, Christine, oh my God, I pray God to give me a job, a flexible job, and which is well paying. This is a right platform for you. Why not turn your spare time? You know, sometimes I sit down and say, I don't have spare time. You know why? Because every spare time is allocated to. So likewise, you can turn your spare time into money making time, not into gossip time, not into anything. You know, money comes after God and then your family. So turn into your spare time into a steady income of $2,000. You guys, do you think if I tell you right now that let's start, can you start? If I say, please bring your laptop and we fill the form, can you fill the form? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think you can do it? If you know you can do it, please go direct and fill your form. Open an account on chatdesk.com, that is on the website, and go ahead, make your arrangement to make sure that you earn $2,000. Be consistent and forge a way forward. Disclaimer, the money you're going to earn is different from the money Christine is going to earn, because your abilities are different. What you focus on, as I told you, determines what you're going to get and what you're going to lose. So guys, can we go today and make some $2,000 cool dollars on ChatDesk? Here we are, and very ready. 2025 is for us. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.